Passive income is the holy grail of the entrepreneurial world. It's the dream that everyone has, to make money without having to do anything. In this video, I will be sharing with you 9 passive income ideas that will help you make $200 per day or even more. These ideas are not just some pie-in-the-sky ideas that I made up off the top of my head. These are real and sustainable ways of making money that has been proven to work in 2022 and will continue working in 2023, 2024, and many more years to come as well. So if you want to increase your income passively without doing any work, this video is for you. So, without wasting time, let's dive into the 9 ways you can use to generate passive income. 1. Invest in stocks and bonds. The stock market can be risky when you're not sure what you're doing. When investing in stocks and bonds, it's important to have a strategy in place. The key is to be aware of the risks and rewards of your investment choices, as well as what type of investor you are. For example, if you're a conservative investor with a longer time horizon, you might be better off investing in stocks and bonds that are more stable. But if you're an aggressive investor with a shorter time horizon and more risk tolerance, then high-risk stocks might be better for you. The stock market can also be risky when you don't have the resources to take risks. If you only have $500, for example, and want to invest in stocks, it's advisable to focus on less risky investments that pay higher dividends or investments with lower risks of losing all your money. While this might seem like a better option at first glance, you may end up losing more money in the long run. So you need to have a strategy for this. Once you master the methods that will favor you, you will be making good money passively. 2. Invest in property. This is another way to make passive income and let the money grow and pay the bills. By using the assets you have to make money, let's say you have an extra room that is not being used. All you need to do is to rent that room to someone, and then he or she will pay you the agreed money to live there. Or if you are going on a long trip, it is obvious that your room will remain open, and you can rent it to someone who also wants to live there for a short time until you return. You can do the same with your car while it is not in use, the farm, and even any space you have that someone can use and pay you money. Let's say you have a garage and the space is big enough, you can allow cars to be packed in that space after being paid for by the car owners. By doing this, you will find your assets instead of being there idling. They will be bringing some cash into your pocket. 3. Invest in cryptocurrency. With cryptocurrency, you can make passive income by simply investing your money in a reliable cryptocurrency. The best cryptocurrency that you can invest in is Bitcoin. It's the most reliable cryptocurrency for making passive income, and it has been around for a longer period of time. There are also many other cryptocurrencies that are reliable as well, such as Ethereum and Litecoin. Compare all these cryptocurrencies to find out which one will make you the most money. Then start investing in them and you'll be making money. 4. Invest in a business. Passive income is income from a business that can be earned without having to put in a lot of work. A good example of this would be investing in a business and then waiting for money to come in from the investment. There are many different types of passive income, and some require much more time than others. Most people will have a mix of passive income sources, and it is important to be aware of how you allocate your time so that you can create an effective business plan for your life. 5. Create your own products and services. With the rise of the internet, it's never been easier to create your own products and services. This is one way to make passive income by being your own boss. Not everyone is good at creating their own products, so partnering with other platforms can be very beneficial to your success working remotely. The internet has given many people the opportunity to work from anywhere in the world. The platform is full of services and tools that make it easy to find a job you are passionate about, and you will be able to deliver your services well because it is something you like doing. This will allow you to work remotely and still be able to get paid your full salary. So if you are talented in any field, you can join freelancing platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, Flexpose, 99 Designs, and others that will enable you to provide your services well to your clients. 6. Blogging and writing ebooks. Blogging and writing books are 2 great ways to make passive income. Blogging is more flexible with your work schedule. With a blog, you can write when you want and publish when it suits you. As for writing books, you should set aside the time to write in a designated daily writing window. There are so many ways to make money through writing ebooks. One way to do this is by selling the ebook on their own platform. Another way is by getting an agent and having the book published with a publishing house. Authors who want exposure and sales can offer their manuscripts to be published in book form, which you can then sell on a publishing site like Lulu or Amazon. 7. Start a YouTube channel. Making passive income on YouTube has never been easier. All you need is a little inspiration, a camera, and some basic equipment to get started. You can make money by creating tutorials, vlogs, or even setting up a YouTube channel for your niche. You can start by creating videos on topics you understand well and then upload them on your YouTube channel. Before you reach the level of making money, the platform has its own requirements that you will need to meet before you start getting paid, and that is 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public watch hours in the last 12 months or 365 days. After that, you will need to apply for YouTube Partner Program, and then the process of verifying your channel with the YouTube team will start immediately. The process usually takes a few days. If you are accepted, you will be making money through ads that will be shown on your video. 8. Invest in real estate. Investing in real estate can be a great way to make money passively. There are a lot of ways to invest in real estate, but the two most popular include investing in apartment buildings or single-family homes. There are three major forms of property ownership that potential investors can choose from: owner-occupied, rental properties, and investment properties. Owner-occupied properties are owned by individuals primarily as their primary residence, and they hold the property for personal use rather than for profit. Rental properties typically have tenants that pay rent each month for a room or a unit in the property. Investment properties are typically purchased with the intention of profiting from their resale value, cash flow, or both. 9. Join affiliate programs. The best way to earn passive income is through the power of affiliate marketing. Using a reliable affiliate program, you can make a commission by referring customers to products or services. It's a great way for beginners or anyone without checking his or her level of experience in this field to start their online business on a small budget. If you take these methods into account, making money will not be a problem for you. You will have many ways to make it without even struggling. Money will be flowing into your bank account aggressively. Try them out, and you will see the difference. Thanks so much for your time, guys. If this video has helped you in any way, please don't go before liking it, subscribe, and you can leave your thoughts in the comments section if you don't mind. I'll see you in the next video.